going on, everybody? Today is the final day of rolling. This is Monday here over in West Lot. Kind of had a little confusion. They moved the feature vehicle check-in over to West Hall, so a lot of people are confused where they're going. But hey, I got free parking, so it's all good. So I'm over here on the outside area of West Hall. They're still setting up and putting areas together. This is the SEMA gear. This right here is the F1 booth. They're still setting up. They have a bunch of sims you can play. Cool. So, but yeah, I gotta get some stuff done. But this is overall the area, outside area that they're still setting up, as you can see. I'm gonna go ahead and go into the hall, and if I see anything worthwhile, then I'll go ahead and get some footage of it and share with you. As you can see, here on setup day, things are a little bit more settled and put together. Lots of rolls of carpet everywhere.
Hi, I was just wondering.
Look who it is!
This guy.
What's up?
How are you, man?
Good. There's Say. Hey, Olivia. What's up, Say?
Your stuff underneath.
We did.
How's your cars?
How are you?
Good. Same old, same old.
Several bad puns later.
Here in the Jada Toys booth while they're setting up. This is their demo Ford Bronco. And a cool part that's here in the booth.
Oh, well, don't you bring it apart because we're going to do this. Where's the Vegas? Yeah. Which one do you guys planning to go to?
Sir, where are you headed? Central? Wow. I got. Is that one unloading?
No, they're loading people in right now.
Is that one ready?
Yes.
We got one at the end ready for you.
All right, cool, thank you. So here at the convention center, they have a deal with Tesla for transporting people back and forth between halls, which saves your feet a little bit, which is really nice. How's it going? Good. I'll go on the other side. Here's some of the cars that are set up already. Here's a Fortune FDRX7. The car that we saw the other day at Rolling. Beautiful. Here's Bob. Yep. Thank you.
How do we get sponsored by City? Honor right there.
Just coming up to the Toyota booth. Oh, they have most of the cars covered up. Now, they parked a ton of cars in here.
Good looking baby.
Thank you. Together, cute kids.
Bunch of new dads.
Even the ex-over man.
Oh yeah. That's oh, there's the Apex go off.
Yeah, Larry's car.
Yeah. There's the Apex.
Yeah, Larry's right. Pretty cool. New Sequoia. Nice. Okay. Okay.
Chevy's out. Chevy pulled out.
Sorry I couldn't show you anything in the Toyota booth. They told me not to film, so here's what it is. Here's their booth. They took over the old Ford spot.
They told me not to film. Here's the booth.
To effectively prepare the exhibit hall for aisle carpet installation and show opening. Please label all crates, cartons, and fire
Mackin's like right over here. Oh, Tane moved up.
Empty labels can be obtained at the Freedom Service Center, Freight Doors, and Freedom Freight Supervisors on the show. We thank you in advance for your cooperation. Have a great show.
Oh, I see it.
Here's the color difference.
Actually, I have to film all this.
Yeah. Yep. Garage and shop. Yep.
I'm probably just gonna have to roll through this.
You know what you can do? You rent one of those handicap parts, and then bring it up, bring up camera.
I have it all on the tripod. I gotta push it all around.
Hey Bob, it's not too late to ask for your old job back.